Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well. My name is Aditi and today I'm going to share with you guys a few products that I absolutely regret buying. There are a few products which a lot of people love but somehow it didn't suit me, so I will also be including that in the video. But however, these products are just those products that didn't suit me, so it does not mean that it will not suit you. There may be a few products that I absolutely love but it may not suit you, and likewise there may be a few products that you love but might not suit me. We all have different skin, and you cannot find the perfect makeup or perfect skincare for your skin until unless you do not do some trial and error. That's how it works. So yeah, without any further ado, if you want to know what are the products that I regret buying, then please keep on watching. Okay, so the first skincare item that I have here is the Good Vibes Wine face cream. This is how it looks, and the reason why I don't like this is very vague, but the thing is I do not like its smell. It smells so nauseating. Like, no, I cannot even imagine putting it on my face. It smells so strong, and it has like it does really smell like red wine, but mixed with some sort of spirit, and it just smells so bad, you guys. This is how the cream looks from the inside. I have just used it maybe twice, I guess, and I couldn't bear the smell. It lingers, guys. It lingers. मतलब ऐसा भी नहीं है कि आप इसको लगाओ और 10 मिनट बाद इसका फ्रेग्रेंस उड़ जाए. नहीं, you are going to sniff it with your every breath, and it does not smell nice, guys. Now, apart from the fragrance, the other thing which I don't like is that it makes you sweat like anything. It is not heavy actually, but I do not know how and why. It just makes my face so sweaty. I have a lot of products that I bought from Purple that didn't suit me, so let's just stay in that line. I have the NYB 20% vitamin C face serum. This is how it looks. The problem with this vitamin C face serum is that it oxidizes so quickly. Like, मैं इसको बस 1 month तक यूज़ कर पाई. आप देख सकते हैं अभी मैं बस इतना ही यूज़ की थी और इतना अभी इसमें प्रोडक्ट बाकी ही है. But I couldn't use it anymore because it just started to oxidize so quickly. Like, I will just show you. Do you see how black it has become? Like, ये तो बिल्कुल भी अब पोटेंट रहा नहीं. मतलब आप इसको अपने चेहरे पे लगाएंगे भी, इफ़ यू यूज़ ऑक्सीडाइज विटामिन सी ऑन योर फेस, then it won't do anything for your skin. And not did it do for the first month that I was using it, and it didn't oxidize. तब भी इसने कुछ भी नहीं किया मेरे चेहरे के लिए. It did not give me glow. It did not give me it did not brighten my skin. It did not reduce any sun damage or anything of that sort. So I really didn't like this, and I have seen a lot of bloggers talking about the same problem, and that was that it oxidizes very quickly. You couldn't even get to the midway and it oxidizes. And to be honest, you shouldn't be using an oxidized vitamin C serum because it literally doesn't do anything for your skin. So why do you want to even apply it on your skin? So yeah, this one was an epic fail. Then the last product from purple.com exclusives are this Good Vibe Orange Blossom makeup removing lotion. This is how it looks. Now, the problem with this makeup removing lotion is that first of all, you require a lot of it to remove your makeup. Secondly, it won't remove waterproof makeup. Then the third problem is that it tingles on your face. Like, not only it tingles, but it actually burns on your face, and it मतलब आपका फेस ना थोड़ा देर के लिए एकदम सुन लगने लगता है. It tingles so bad. So yeah, that is the reason I don't like it. It doesn't remove the makeup well, doesn't feel good on the skin, and you require a lot of it, like a lot of it. मतलब, so yeah, I did not like it at all. Then I have two products from Mamaearth. The first one is this Mamaearth Argan Hair Mask. This is how it looks. I have tried the smaller variant of this. This retails for 99 rupees, by the way. I bought it from their website, this and the onion mask, just to try and see if I really like them. But this one, this Argan Hair Mask, this one is so horrible. Like, it claims that it controls frizz and makes the hair stronger, but trust me, it made my hair even more frizzier, and it didn't make it soft at all. so that is the reason I didn't like it. But however, I really like the onion mask, and I repurchased the bigger version of that, like the tub version. That one was really good, but this one, I don't know what it did for my hair. It did literally nothing but just made it more frizzier. Then the second product from Mamaearth, which I absolutely hate, is this onion hair oil. I have talked about this in one of my videos already, but the reason why I don't like it is that it just smells so bad. Again, matlab, it literally smells like chameli ka tel, and I feel so skeptical applying it. Matlab, I feel कि जितने मेरे बच्चे कुछ बाल है वो भी ना कहीं उड़ जाए, so I do not really apply this. At first I thought I received a fake onion oil from Mamaearth, but that isn't really possible, I guess. So I put up a story on my Instagram conveying what I feel about it, and a lot of people came out who said that they also didn't like it, and a few of them said that they really like it. So later it came out that the formula is maybe very inconsistent across the range, because the people who like this oil have received a slight, reddish colored oil which has a bit like onion ka pungent wala smell. Like, it does not smell like onion, but it has that, but because it has that red inside, I hope that's how it's pronounced, so that makes it smell a little pungent. But whereas my oil is completely transparent and it smells literally like chameli ka tel. Like, I'm not even kidding you guys. So I'll just pour a few drops. Again, it smells so bad, and I don't think I'll ever apply it on my scalp. And the fragrance on this one not only lingers, but even if you shampoo your hair twice, it will still smell. Like, the smell stays on your hair for like 2-3 more days. So I do not like it at all. No. So I gave it to my mom. She also didn't like the smell, so none of us use it right now. I think it will get dumped, or maybe we'll use it in some other way, like pottery making and everything. So yeah. Next I have this Palmer's Natural Fusion Micellar Rose Water Shampoo. This is how it looks. Now the problem with this one is that you require a lot of the shampoo to cleanse your scalp. So if you're someone who has oily, greasy scalp like me, you would literally use half of this product and still your scalp won't be clean enough. And not only if you have oily scalp, but even if you have dry scalp which gets dirty, there are build-ups and everything, so even that way it won't cleanse your scalp. So just don't go for this. No, it's not worth it. And I think I couldn't literally use it more than 3 times. So you know how fast it finishes. And by the way, this bottle is of 50 ml, and 50 ml is quite a good quantity. So yeah, this one is one of those products which I regret buying, although I got this in PR. So yeah, this one failed to impress me. Next I have another vitamin C serum, and this is the Jeva Vitamin C Serum. This is how it looks. Now the problem with this one is again that it oxidizes very fast. Although initially when I started to use it, I used it for 1 month before it oxidized. Okay, so during that period it really did brighten my skin, but soon after that it oxidized, like you see, and it became not so potent, so I do not any longer use it. Also, the fragrance of this one is like surf. It literally smells like surf. Next I have an eye gel cream, and this is by Bella Vita. It's called Eye Lift, and this one really stings your eyes, you guys. If you apply it on the contours of your under eyes, it's just burns your eyes like anything. So yeah, that is the only reason why I don't like it. It makes me so teary, and while I was using it I didn't see a major difference on my under eyes as well. So yeah, it again failed to impress me. Then the last skincare product I have is the Sugandha White Lotus Moisturizer. This is how it looks, and the reason why I don't, okay, my room smells so bad right now because of that wine face cream and then the Mamaearth onion hair mask. I mean, it's so difficult for me to breathe right now. But yeah, coming back, this is how the Sugandha White Lotus Moisturizer looks like. But the reason why I don't like this is because it broke me out and it left behind acne marks that took so long to, you know, fade, and I still have a few acne marks on my face, which I got from this, which hasn't faded till now. It has been 1 year, by the way. So yes, I know a lot of people who love this, as well a lot of people who absolutely hate it because of the same reason, that they got purging and the purging acne marks were not ready to leave them. A few acne marks took a very long time to fade, like 6-7 months, and I still have a few of them which are yet to fade. So you know, it was one of my most regretful decision to buy this because it made my skin worse. Like literally my skin has never been that bad. So yeah, I do not really like this at all. Then I only have one makeup. It's not even makeup, okay? So I have, the last product I have is the Disguise Blend Perfector. I do not know where I have kept the blender, but I just have the dabba of it. The blender which you get in here is a microfiber blender, so it does not absorb a lot of product. But again, the reason why I don't like this is because it's so stiff. Like it literally feels like you are bouncing a ball on your face, and it leaves your base looking streaky at the same time. And as I said, it does not absorb a lot of product, but God forbid if you directly dip it in your foundation, then it is going to stain the sponge so bad, and it is so difficult to remove that stain. So yeah, I did not really like the sponge. I have first impressions of this sponge in which I said the same things, like literally the same things, so you can go ahead and watch that video. So yeah, those were the few products that left me unimpressed, and if you have some products that you regret buying, then please do write in the comment section below what are those products and why you don't like it. You know, we can help each other save some money. So yeah, I really hope you liked this video, and if you did, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up. You can also follow me on Instagram, and I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.